I think it's safe to say that most of us love getting gifts in the mail. Even if I order from like Amazon or something, knowing what the package is, it's kind of exciting when it arrives. But if you're getting something that's a surprise, you know it's coming, but you don't know exactly what it is, that makes it even more fun. So that's what my treasure box collection is all about. Each month it's a subscription program. You can sign up for just a month, but really you get the best, deal, and you get some special things if you order it for a year. But it's a subscription program where you get a special gift in the month each month based on birds, butterflies, flowers, nature themed items. So it might be something like this beautiful, these are all handcrafted, these are all my own creations out of leather. So the butterfly pieces are made out of leather. The necklace is adjustable, so it might be things like that. It might be this. There are with the earrings to match it. There are also butterfly earrings. So butterfly, birds, flowers are the main kind of themes. So you have earrings like that are longer. Now, of course, I'm not wearing any of these things because I'm allergic to metal. So I understand that you might get some things in a box, not knowing what it is, that you might not use. These make great gifts to give to people. So some bird things. This is a lot of people. I make these in all different kinds of bird. Now, this is the actual shape of a hummingbird's feather. Of course, it would be smaller than a dime. But again, that's the shape, and then it has the two hummingbirds within. So this is, I have different sizes of this. So it might be something like that. I have earrings that are just, that are like the hummingbird by itself that you see in there, and so forth. And I also have tiny versions of this in an earring size. It's about that big, same design in an earring size. What's beautiful about the leather jewelry, especially, it's so lightweight. I have things like the pins, and I have these in a smaller version in an earring. This is has a pin back on it. I have things like the hair sticks, stick barrettes. I have things like that might be included in different sizes. This is a hair clip. So things like that, hair clips, pins, home decor. It might be things like, again, for birds, for feathers, not just the feathers like this. You have also some jewelry, so it's feathers. I also, again, have jewelry, like I mentioned, it's like just the hummingbird, cardinals, blue jays, things like that. And it will be a surprise. And each of them will be in a nice little gift box that will come. It'll be packaged nicely and will come in the mail. The boxes are mailed out the first week of the month. And so if you subscribe like during the month of May, you'll get the June box. If you subscribe, in May, you will not get the box the following month. Even if you subscribe on the first of the month, that box is already in process of being shipped, so you will not receive it. But you'll receive the following month. And again, depending on how you sign up, it's $40 a month. That includes the shipping, packaging. With each product too, which I don't have handy right here, you get a little insert that tells about the product. So my first month for May, which is when this started, so the first box went out the first week of May, was a hummingbird feather, not a hummingbird, a cardinal feather like this, because cardinals were close to my mother, thinking of Mother's Day. With each card, with each product, you also get a little card that tells about what it is, what the product is, a little bit about that, but also something about the bird itself or the butterfly or whatever it happens to be. So there'll be a special little insert about the product, giving you more information about what inspired it and so forth. So that's going to wrap it up for now. The link right here at the bottom of the video is the link to sign up. Again, so if you sign up now, you are in time to get the June box. So if you do that, again, it alternates kind of between birds, butterflies, and flowers, so you won't know what you're going to get. The first box was birds, so that's kind of a clue. It will probably be something different, but I can't give you any more clues than that. You'll have to sign up and wait for your surprise gift to come in the mail. That's going to wrap it up for now. Have a great day.